Hello everyone! Want to take a long screenshot of a web page on the computer, but don't know what to do? This video will solve them easily in 3 ways, including Windows and Mac systems. In this video, I use AnyRec Screen Recorder as an example to capture the entire website. It features a high-quality screenshot, and you can set hotkeys to make taking screenshots quick and easy. The first is how to take a full-page screen capture of an entire web page on Windows. Open AnyRec Screen Recorder, click the drop-down menu next to the camera icon in the upper right corner, and select Scrolling Screenshot. There are also pop-up windows and free area screenshots in the menu, and you can set a hotkey in settings to turn them on more quickly. Next, your cursor will turn into a crosshair, and you will draw the area of the page you need to take a screenshot of. Then, roll your mouse wheel, press space to slide down, or click the left button automatically. It can capture a full-size screenshot while keeping all details. Finally, press ESC to save the screenshot. Now it's time to take a long scrolling screenshot on a Mac. For Chrome pages, open the web page you want to take a screenshot of, right-click on it, and in the menu find Check. Next, press Command plus Shift plus P at the same time to open the Run command and type Screenshot in the command field. A few options will be highlighted in the result. Select Full Screenshot. This will screenshot and save the entire web page in PNG format to your Mac's repository. For Safari, you can open the desired web page and click the Show Web Inspector button in the Development drop-down list. Right-click on the first line starting with Hummel Lang and click the Capture Screenshot button. Finally, click the Save button to screenshot a whole page in PNG format. This is how to screenshot an entire web page with AnyRec Screen Recorder on Windows, along with the steps to take a long screenshot of your Mac browsers. If you find this video helpful, please like and follow our channel. See you in the next video.